What's up, everybody? Mr. Do Anything here. Welcome back to another episode of Small Town RP, and welcome back to Off-Road Outlaws. This is part 50 of Off-Road Outlaws. Now, before we get into the video, this is the last Small Town RP video. This is part 14. This is the last part, and I thought I'd do some things that are kind of funny. So let's go. I have my 1967 Barracuda out here, the Cuda. Yep, it's got, I took off the tub, put a convertible on it, but I put the backlight on it, so I put bucket seats in it. Yeah, so this is what it sounds like. Tap on that. It goes pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it goes pretty fast, but I'm gonna hook this thing up to the trailer that we have. Now, this is something you haven't seen on the back of the trailer in a little bit. Yeah, so let's just back her up and you'll see it a little bit. Yes. So I have my, there we go. I have my 2021 Honda CR250R hooked up to the back of the trailer, and this thing is towing it. I didn't want to, I don't really have to tow it with something that is jacked up like the Gladiator that we have. So yeah, we're good with that. But yeah, I'm gonna go into town to the dealership. And they said I could just park this thing in there and I could just drive around with the dirt bike. Now, I can only be there for a limited amount of time because I can't have a parking spot. I can only have this one parking spot for a limited amount of time today. So, I'm gonna quickly drive. I'm not gonna do like a big let's do like a 30-minute video of just driving around on a dirt bike. They said I could only take up 3 parking spots max, because I need to park it sideways, but they said not to block this way or the back way. So I can't block this way because people walk, and I can't block this way because trucks and stuff come back here to park, because some of the staff members park right here so they can walk through this door and they can load up their trucks through here. Now, I can only be here for a limited amount of time, like I said. So, let's just get onto the dirt bike, go in first person, and let's have a blast today. Alright. So, part 14 of Small Town RP does not mean that I am going to stop making Off-Road Outlaws videos. I will keep making them. I was just saying that I just need to stop making Small Town RP. Now, yes, I've said this multiple times, but yes, this is the last one, and I'm not making another one after this, unless you guys really like this one, then I'll make another one. But that's only if you guys really like this one, like the last one you guys smashed. Now, like I said, I can't be in that parking spot for an insane amount of time, and I know I'm going through this person's property. It's my old property, and I know I shouldn't be going through it, but I'm going to go through it anyways, because they said I can come by anytime I'd like, because I was such a nice person to them. It's my buddy's house. It's my other buddy's house. My other buddy owns the mansion because he wanted to sell his house, so I sold him my mansion, and then I bought the one that's closer to town. so it would be closer to get gas, go to the dealership, whatever. Now, throw it in nuts. Okay, let's just stop going that fast before I get hurt or the dirt bike gets broken and I have to pay a lot of money to fix it. Now, I don't know what else this town has planned for their renovations, but I don't like doing this. I do not like spoiling my videos ahead of time, but in the next video we build a four-wheeler and we go Baja racing in it on multiplayer mode. Actually, no, we don't. I'm sorry. I'm lying to you at this point. Sorry, I just had to get off. I want to see what's up here. The town doesn't tell the folks what they do for renovations. Like, that mansion's new, like, the mansion I bought's new, and I don't know what they do for renovations. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a target practice. Yeah. That's what I would do with it. Oh! Alright, let's get back onto the dirt bike. Let's go really quick. Now, with all that being said, yes, I am gonna try to upload more. I know that I have not done it in quite a little bit. It's been a couple days, something, whatever. But I don't really want to talk about that because I'm gonna get into it. Because I just want to move on and do fun videos. It is fun making these videos. It is fun uploading them. Yes, I like it. It's a good way to play some games. I do epic like tricks and stuff to do epic tricks in games, and then yeah. I do really like this game. I would probably never stop uploading this until maybe if they stopped, like if they got rid of Off-Road Outlaws altogether, like they took it off everything and they said, oh sorry, our thing has been with this company, the Apple company for instance, right? Like I would never stop playing this game. Like, I love this game. It's basically a part of the channel. Like, it's a part of all of us who watch this channel. Like, I don't know what I would do without Off-Road Outlaws. Because if you go over to my channel and you go to the first ever video that was on my channel, it was Off-Road Outlaws. And it was so bad that I decided to make another video that same exact day. But like, the progress I made in like a year is pretty good. Because now look, I'm making videos that you can actually hear me fucking talking. And you can actually like, have I crashed this dirt bike once yet to be driving it? Yeah, dang. I don't know. But I don't want to jinx it, so I won't say anything else about the crashing or anything. But like, it's very fun to play this game. It is very painful to do it and like drive and crash at the same time. But I also want to start making like, I want to get a PC and I want to start making PC videos, because there's like nothing else I would more like to do that. Like I want to play like SnowRunner, I want to get my own gaming like system steering wheel. Yeah. Waiting for it to fill up. But like, how? Like, what am I gonna do? Right? Like, I can't do mobile games forever. And who knows, I might still have this channel after high school. You know? Like I want it to be a channel that's gonna be there forever. Like, well, not quite like that, but it's like, I don't want it to be on YouTube like forever, but I want it to be on here, like, you know, like a little bit of time, like, you know how long like Jacksepticeye's been on here, like PewDiePie, like they've been on here for a long time. Ryan Higa, like, I do not understand why we must, like, I definitely understand why they like doing YouTube, because then if they stopped, they would actually have to get real jobs, right? Like, but you need over 1,000 subscribers to actually get, like, paid to do YouTube, and you have to be, like, over 18. You can, actually, sorry, you have to be over 1,000, you don't have to be over 18, you don't have to be a certain age, but it would be nice to get, well, I guess you would have to have over 1,000, because it's weird. It's really weird because YouTube pays $3 to $5 per YouTube view for, like, YouTube ad view, and it pays like $0.18 per view. It's 18 cents per view, but it's also something else. Like, I would have to research it. Like, yeah, I'll research it at the end of this video and do something to show you. But, like, they get paid. It's like, yeah, I think it's like $100 or something like that per it's like, yeah, it's really weird. It's like it's like 20 or like $10 or something like that. I don't know what it is, but it's like something dollars per every like 1,000 views. So like my most viewed YouTube video is like all guns that I have from iGun Pro 2, which is just a crappy mobile simulator, and in that video I would have made like 50,000 or something, you know? Like, it's not an insane amount compared to how much YouTubers like Jacksepticeye and PewDiePie and Dan TDM are making, right? Like, because they have, like, or like Dude Perfect almost has like 60 million followers, or sorry, subscribers. This isn't fucking TikTok. They're one of the biggest channels, one of the most famous. They almost always quit, like, they almost quit. And they've been doing it for years. Mr. Beast has been doing it for years. Like, It just blows my mind. Right? Like, yeah, but, yeah, alright. So, yeah. I'm gonna park this thing in the garage. Thank you. Get out. I'm gonna go inside. Yeah. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I found it. How much does a YouTuber pay per 20 million views? Between 40,000 to 100,000. On average, YouTube pays its creators around $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. Now, 1,000 views means like ad views or YouTube views. Now, like, as I was saying, and then it says, which means that with 20 million views, you can expect to make anywhere between 40,000 views or $40,000 to $100,000. Now, look at this. Now, my most viewed video has this many, somewhere in that. But it's $5 per 1,000 views, right? So if we minus, let's say it's $5, right? So let's say I have this many views, right? And then I get paid $5. So we have to do this, and that's how much money we would get paid. We would get paid $23,400 just for that video. That is how much I would make just from that video. Now, let's take one of the small town RP videos, which is over. Let's take part 11, which is which is this many views. Minus $5, and we would make $240 just for doing that. And you would also get paid for doing live too. But you have to have over 1,000 followers to get paid that, which is weird.